tutorial, I'll teach you guys how to make a very good paper airplane, the avatar. So let's start now. To make the avatar, you need a copy paper. This is best if you have letter size paper. If not, you can try A4 paper. So the first step, I fold the paper in half this way. Alright, next step, I will start from this edge and forward to this edge. Right, and then I repeat the same step for the other side. Start from this edge, forward to this edge. Right. Then I turn the paper over. Next step, I will match this crease to this crease and this crease to this crease. Okay. Alright, and now I will turn the paper over this way and push this edge to the center crease. Right. Then I just push this part out. And now I will estimate about 1 inch from the tip here along this crease, just for it down. Alright, and then I will fold this layer to a side, and now I will start from this edge and forward to this crease. And I just fold this part out. Remember, we have a crease here already, just put it up. Okay, and I just fold this layer out to this corner, from this edge to this corner. So this is what we have, right? Now fold this layer to a side and this layer to. And now I will start from this edge and forward to the center crease. Alright, then I just fold this part up a little bit so I can see the crease to fold this layer out. Okay, when I fold out, I fold straight to the corner here. So this is perfect now. Then I fold this layer back. Okay, so this is what we have so far, right? Okay, next step, I will fold the tip to the tip here. Okay, and then I repeat the same step for this side. So this is what we have. This is really good. Alright, and then you see the crease here. I just fold this part out, okay? This triangle shaped out, and I will match this to the crease up here. Alright, and I repeat the same step for the other side. Fold this part out. Okay. Okay, next step, I will fold this back in. Okay, we have a crease here, a fold here. Remember, you need to use the edge here as a reference. Then repeat the same step for the other side. Put this one in. Okay, now we just fold it back. Let's just fold this one back as well. Let's just fold this triangle shape down to hold all the gap together. Right, and now I fold the paper in half. This is hard on the top here. Okay. Next step. Now I just fold this one down to create a wing, right? I will estimate about 1.5 inches along this edge to fold out, and then it's about 1 inch on this edge. Just fold it out like this. And then repeat the same step for the other side. So just let you know that this part is really hard, so you cannot fold it down completely. That is fine. We don't need to fold it down completely. Make sure that this edge match with this edge, so the wings are even and it will fly better. Alright. So this is good now. Okay. This is optional, that you can create the stabilizer by folding this part like this. You can fold this part like that. But when you create the stabilizers, this is harder to control the plane. You need to make sure that the stabilizers are even. Okay. After create the stabilizers, you have a plane like this. Or if you don't create the stabilizers, you have a plane like this. Okay. And then if you adjust the wings a little bit, you can have a plane like this. For me, I prefer this one more. You can check it and tell me which one you like more. There's this plane or this one. They are very similar, but the difference is the stabilizers. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.